Did you? We definitely have to do pink on his legs.
Alright.
He'll look it off though, so like we'll just do it while I do your hair, and then rinse him off real fast. That way he doesn't eat it.
Oh no, he's gonna fall. Oh good. Poor Bojangles.
I think he needs water.
Is there no water?
I don't know. Doesn't really look like it.
Oh no, there is no water. I'm so dehydrated.
It's still like a piece of hair hanging down. We might have cut it and it's stuck on him.
I'm sorry, Bojangles. I know you don't feel good. Here you go. Maybe you needed water. Maybe they didn't even have water all day.
No, they have water.